Righto, check it out. First episode of the YouTube channel. Just starting a channel, so this is going to be the first episode. Been tuning mountain bikes for about 4 or so years now. This is a customer's bike. Just going to set up with the data acquisition from BYB. And yeah, a couple of days time we'll be out on the tracks tuning it all. So this is the sensor part of the data acquisition system. This is a little bit shorter than the fork one, obviously, because the travels are all different. So now I have to make up some brackets to fit this in here. So yeah, we're back. I've managed to mount the sensor up. Ready to go. So I've just finished up mounting the GPS and the data acquisition box. So I've just finished fitting up the fork sensor, which is this here, runs here, just connects onto a block and then mounts off where the valve is, just at the fork pressure, and then it runs sort of parallel with the fork, and then that just gets plugged in to the acquisition system. So this allows me to do a lot of things really. Basically it just allows me to see where the rider sits in the spring, in where the rider weight is, so I can adjust the springs to suit the rider to balance the weight up. And then I get to look at compression speeds and rebound speeds after I've set the spring rate. So that really helps being able to see actual shaft speeds to set the bike up. Data acquisition all set up now, ready to go. Just want to show you how this bike is running before we start to tune it all in. So the shot rebounds like running pretty quick, and the fork is running like reasonably quick too. That terrible noise is from the zip ties on the battery cover. I think it's squeezed in the battery cover, so it's making a bit of a noise. The low speed rebound really helps with traction and being able to track through rough stuff as well, so that's a good start already. The customer or the rider has already been out a couple of times with us shuttling for us while I've had other people tuning, so he's seen the benefit of running the rebounds a little bit faster, so he's had a go himself and he's got it sort of close, which is good. So tomorrow it will be basically about just making sure all of his spring rates are right, or he's sitting in the right part of the spring to give him all the support and everything that he needs, balance out the bike and his weight, and then we'll chase a bit of compression if we can and some rebound speeds, just chase that if we need to, but other than that it'll probably just be setting spring rates. So yeah, see you out in the trails tomorrow. Righto, we're all set up. Got the tent and everything set up. Got the toolboxes and everything. Laptop. Most importantly, the bike. I'll just run through and I'll do some tests to make sure everything's working good. Do a couple of downloads. The customer will be here shortly. Got some tools already ready to go.
Oh, it's better.
Yeah.
Way better. Yeah. Less of that. Way less of that.
Yeah.
Shock still perfect.
Yeah.
And less of this chattering, like when the tread is not much rough. So I stayed more off the brake.
Yeah.
Definitely more support.
Yeah.
In the rough. Perfect. It stays there. I can just charge through stuff.
Yeah.
When there is a corner, that support just makes you, like, I don't know, it generates speed in the corner.
Yeah.
In that corner I had the bumpy, it's not there anymore. Every time I was off the brake, just using my legs, I was just generating speed.
Yeah.
And it was just, there was some off corner, you just straight line into that now. It's just, yeah.
No, that's pretty cool, I love it. So that was Luca's bike. At the beginning of the episode there you can see he was fitting up some of the data acquisition system. And by the end of the day we'd completely transformed the bike, which is great. And then we had some really good feedback from Luca during the day as well. So yeah, that's what it's really about, really, is just setting up the bike and unlocking the full potential of the customer's bike. We've got more episodes coming. We'll be covering everything from the data acquisition tuning days, the one-on-one customer days, the custom damper work that I do with the fluid focus products. Probably go deeper into the data analysts, analyzing all the data, and some more like real world rider feedback from the customers we have. We're also running the rider support program too for the couple of the races, so we'll probably get out there and show you a bit of that as well. If you enjoyed the episode, like, subscribe, stay tuned. We've got more content coming, and yeah, we'll catch you out in the trails. Cheers.